A little disclaimer before we begin. I had to put my channel logo over the address on the box just so I don't want random mail coming in from who knows where. Thank you for bearing with me here. Without further ado, let the antics begin. I guess this is what happens when you trade for a Vision Line Challenger. Have I officially gone off the deep end? Probably. But I get 3 new things to review, so who's the winner? It's quite a monstrosity of a box, but I'm excited to see what's inside. The box is now open. Time to see what's inside. Sounds like you had to use quite a bit of packing material for this one. It's gonna be a minute before I can run anything, because I still have to wrap up my day, but let's get the first one on the track just to take a look. Here's the first item. Purdy. The first 6-axle diesel on the layout. The second item that came in the package. Let's take a look. New York Central S2 electric in the TDKC version. I think you can figure out which this one is from the box. Let's open her up. Nice. Looks solid to me. For those of you unaware, last October at York, I made a trade with TrainsofLark for a Vision Line Challenger that I bought for him at the show. As part of the deal, he traded me 3 engines and covered shipping. The first engine is a legacy tunnel motor, and the other 2 are TMCC locomotives. This video is going to be a quick demonstration of all 3 locomotives. I will explain more as it goes on. First up, the legacy tunnel motor.
Until I can get the line cleared. Out. TDKC is good. Ready to pull. Dispatcher, train's made up. Am I clear? Over. We're waiting for a work extra to get in the clear. Hold for my signal. Out. Dispatcher, there's me. Can I get a go? Over. You're clear to proceed east. Out.
Next, the S2.
Here. Am I clear to back this train up? Over. New York Central 125, you are clear across the yard. Over. That's it for today. 125 is out.
Lastly, I'm going to do a sound demonstration of the Rio Grande Mikado. Unfortunately, it needs new traction tires, so I'm not going to be running it around the layout, but I will give you some sound demonstrations. This is also a TMCC model.
Rio Grande 12, take the green.
I wanted to give a big shout out to TrainsofLark for being willing to do this trade with me. I will put a link to his YouTube in the description. Part of what makes this community so great is the willingness of the YouTubers and Instagrammers and other influencers in the community who want to trade for new items in their inventory or trade existing items for something new for them and new for you. You don't have to buy new things to be a part of the community. There are plenty of people who buy used things from the YouTubers and Instagrammers or other people that are in the hobby as well. My point in saying all this is, yes, everybody loves a new train, but sometimes getting things secondhand is worth it to have more things to review and a greater inventory and build your collection. In fact, buying used locomotives is what got me into the hobby in the first place. Like I said, buying used can be a great way to break into the hobby without breaking the bank. A word of caution is to go through a reputable site that is able to verify the condition of the locomotive before you buy it. I have seen too many instances of people getting scammed on other sites like eBay or Facebook. I would recommend going through a actual reseller or go through someone you trust. The YouTubers I've met in this community are very stand-up people, and they're not going to intentionally sell you something that doesn't work or has problems without disclosing that first. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in another video very soon. I'm experimenting with changing my video formatting a little bit, so be on the lookout here in the near future for a little bit different format of a video. If you like what you see, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and hit the bell button if you want notifications. I really appreciate all your support, and I hope to continue making videos in the near future. Thanks.